Alright, Ethan here. I am driving home now from farm day. I didn't get as much footage as I thought I would, but I had a blast. I got to talk to Wes again. I got to see Wes and talk to him this time. Guy top, Tim, I got to talk and meet with him again. That was pretty cool. I got to see Ryan, Travis, seen Jim. You'll see this video and he'll know he's the moderator. WT Farm Girl, I got to see her. I don't got a video of her. She left before I could. You know, I kind of wanted to, but that's alright. But well, I had fun, and I shouldn't be doing this while I'm driving, but there's a lot of giveaway stuff, and I won. It's not showing up on camera. There we go. This Oliver 1950 El Toro 64th scale, and then I bought a OLF shirt, hat. Didn't get anything from the rest of the story. I should have. I got some stuff I'd like to get from OLF. But, all in all, I thought it was great. It was a little different than last year. I didn't get a chance to go on a tractor ride. They had the 8235R running, and then they unhooked the one Rhino mower, and we're using the 7600. I didn't get as much footage around the farm machinery as much, but if you go back to my video last year, it's basically all the same. Everything was there again. Sloan's was there. I didn't get, I got all that in last year's video, so I got a chance to talk to Andrew, WSA, and yeah, and I had fun. I left there probably about half hour ago already, and I had to see Jim, and had a couple other people that recognized me, and but all in all, I had a great time. Definitely would go again and again and again. So this is going to be the first video to see. After that, I got a bunch of videos with Big Tractor Power, Ryan, and Big Tractor Power, Ryan, Travis, One Lonely Farmer, Cotton Top. I know Big Tractor Power got filmed me too. He did me, and then I did him, and it was fun. So I gotta focus on what I'm doing here. So until then, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new. I got some other videos this week is going to be just farm day videos. They're probably not going to be in order, but it is what it is. And I don't know what else to say. I didn't take as many pictures as I wanted because I was just like, this is just awesome. But you probably can catch me on the live feed on the Only Farmer channel, Big Tractor Power, How Farms Work live feed. But I had fun. But until then, talk to you guys later.